Okay, here is a long question, and the question is as follows. So, in the year 2000, a shop sold 150 computers. Each year, the shop sold 10 more computers than the year before, so that the shop sold 160 computers in 2001, 170 computers in 2002, and so on, forming an arithmetic sequence. A. Show that the shop sold 220 computers in 2007 and calculate the total number of computers the shop sold from 2000 to 2013 inclusive. Right, so first of all, in the year 2000 they sold 150 computers. So let's start with A. So in 2000, okay, they sold 150 computers, let's say PCs, right? And each year they sold 10 more, okay? So the equation for the number of computers is A sub n is equal to A1 plus n take away 1 times D, in which case A1 is 150 because that's the first year, and n because you're looking for 2007, if we count from 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, and 2007 makes 2007 the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th year, which means n is 8. Okay, let's change that to a little bit of brightness. Okay, so D, because going up by 10 each year, D is 10. So basically AN is 150 plus 8 take away 1 times 10, which is 150, plus 7 times 10, which is 150, plus 70, which is 220. Okay, so the answer to this one is 220 computers. Well, we've shown that 220 is correct. Okay, then for B, it says calculate the total number of computers the shop sold from 2000 to 2013 inclusive. So the formula for that Sn is n over 2 big brackets 2a plus small bracket n minus 1 times d. Okay, so n in this case, because it's from 2000 to 2013, I think we can just carry on from here and say 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. That's going to give you 14 years. If you count that, that was 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 years. So n is equal to 14. Now A, which was the first one, is 150, and D is still 10. Okay, so that becomes Sn equals 14 divided by 2 times 150 plus n is 14, take away 1 times d is 10. That gives us a 7, 150 plus 13 times 10 is 130. Then 150 plus 130. In fact, 2 times 150 is 300, so this should be 300. 300 plus 130 is 430. So that would be 7 times 430. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry 2. 7 times 4 is 28. Add 2 is 30. Okay. The next question is C. I might want to start it here. Let's start C here. So it says, in the year 2000, the selling price of each computer was 900. The selling price fell by 20 each year, so that in 2001, the selling price was 880. In 2002, the selling price was 860, and so on, forming an arithmetic series. Okay, so the arithmetic series for that would be AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 D. Now, what is A1 for this one? It was falling from 900. So A1 equals 900. And what is N for this one? We don't know what N is. And what is D? D is minus 20. It's a minus because it's going down by 20. Okay. In a particular year, the selling price of each computer in pounds was equal to 3 times the number of computers. So this is the selling price. So this here was equal to, so A1 plus N minus 1 D was equal to 3 times the number of computers in the shop, and the number of computers in the shop is A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, now let's call this D1, and let's call this D naught, A naught, and let's call this D naught. Okay, and let's say that on this side A1, we know A1 is 150. We don't know what N is, and we know that D is 10 on this side, but it's equal to 3 times the amount. Okay, so we know this is A naught is 900, so 900 plus N minus 1. N is going to be the same for this side and this side, and then we multiply by a minus 20 is equal to 3 times A1 is 150 plus N minus 1 times 10, because D is 10. Let's put like a big bracket here. So 900 minus 20 N minus 1 is equal to 3 big bracket 150 plus 10N minus 10. Okay, so this is 900 minus 20N plus 20 equals 150 minus 10 is 140. Okay, 14 times 3 is 42, so that becomes 420 plus 30N. Okay, if we bring the n's to this side, then we have 920 minus 420 is equal to 50n. That's 500 equals 50n. Okay, so 50n equals 500. N equals 500 divided by 50. So n equals 10. So that was in the 10th year. And if we come here, that's 7. 2007 is the 8th year, 9th year, 10th year. So the 10th year is 2009. So the answer is 2009. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in question 10.